Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 chemistry objective past questions, and this is question 9. Which of the following pair of components belongs to the same molecular mass? A. Ethene and ethyne. B. Ethane and ethene. C. Carbon 2 oxide and ethene. D. Carbon 4 oxide and ethyne. So the first step will be to write down the chemical formulae of each of the compounds given to us. So for ethene, the chemical formula is C2H4. So this is ethene. So we have ethyne, chemical symbol C2H2. We have ethane, chemical formula C2H6. We have carbon 2 oxide, carbon 2 oxide or carbon monoxide, carbon 2 oxide, CO. Then we have carbon 4 oxide or carbon dioxide, which is CO2. So the first option A is ethene and ethyne. So we can see that ethene has 2 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms, and ethyne has 2 carbon atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. So mathematically it's impossible for them to have the same molecular mass. So option A is ruled out. And then B is ethane and ethene. Similarly, they both have different number of hydrogen atoms. So mathematically, it will be impossible for them to have the same molecular mass. So we'll be looking at option C, which is carbon 2 oxide. Now carbon 2 oxide, from the figures given to us, we can calculate its molecular mass, which is 12 plus 16. That is 1 atom of carbon and 1 oxygen atom. So 12 plus 16 is 28. Then ethene, which we'll also be looking at. Ethene has 2 carbon atoms, so 12 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. So 24 plus 4 is 28. Now carbon 4 oxide, 12 plus 16 multiplied by 2. Now 16 multiplied by 2 is 32, and 32 plus 12 is 44. And then ethyne, C2H2, which is 12 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2. So 12 multiplied by 2 is 24 plus 1 multiplied by 2, which is 2. So 24 plus 24 plus 2 is 26. So from this we can see that ethene has a molecular mass of 28 and carbon 2 oxide has a molecular mass of 28. So our answer will be C, which is carbon 2 oxide and ethene. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and also for more past question and answer.